If your OneDrive is not syncing in Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to check the sync status, turn syncing back on if it's paused, and restart OneDrive if needed. This is a simple fix that can help when your files stop updating, uploads get stuck, or OneDrive just seems to freeze. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 tips. Let's get into it. First, look at the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. You want to find the OneDrive cloud icon. It may be white or blue depending on your account, but it should usually appear near the system tray. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the little arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click it to open the OneDrive status window. Now check the sync status carefully. OneDrive will usually show a message that tells you what's happening. You might see sync paused, up to date, or syncing. If it says up to date, that means OneDrive is working normally and there may be another issue causing your files to look out of sync. If it says syncing, then OneDrive is actively updating your files and may just need a little more time. But if you see sync paused, that's a strong sign that syncing has been stopped and needs to be resumed. If syncing is paused, click the gear icon in the OneDrive window. This opens the settings and options menu. From there, look for the option that says resume syncing. In some cases, you may see pause syncing instead, which means syncing is already active. If you see resume syncing, click it right away to turn syncing back on. This is one of the most common fixes for OneDrive not syncing in Windows 11, and it only takes a second. After that, it's a good idea to turn on sync notifications so Windows can alert you if syncing stops again later. To do that, click the gear icon once more and choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Notifications section. Here, find the option that says Notify me when syncing is off and make sure it is turned on. This helps you catch syncing problems earlier, instead of finding out much later that a file never uploaded or updated properly. If OneDrive is still not syncing after that, the next step is to restart it. This can clear out temporary glitches and refresh the app. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look for Microsoft OneDrive in the list of running apps or background processes. Right-click it, then choose End Task. Once OneDrive closes completely, wait a few seconds and then open it again from the Start menu or by searching for OneDrive. When it relaunches, check whether syncing starts working again. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem right away. Start by checking the status, resume syncing if it's paused, turn on notifications, and restart OneDrive if necessary. These are the fastest and safest ways to troubleshoot OneDrive syncing issues in Windows 11 without changing any advanced settings. If this video helped you fix OneDrive not syncing, please give it a like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials, productivity tips, and simple fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.